How's it going?
Well, that is in nice shape, huh?
Pretty good. Green too, though.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
That's the one?
That's the one.
That is in real nice shape.
Yeah. A little bit better than that other one. Yeah,
It's got that scuff mark there on the top.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. This is nice. Better than expected. Get some different plastic triggers for that. What's that?
This does come with a spacer.
Genius design.
Okay. So we're starting to form 4 on that one?
Yep.
Okay.
I got a truss now, so.
Okay.
But you would have to set it up according to the listings.
Good. I'm just going to tear it down, take a look at a few things, take a few pictures since I got to dream about it for 6 months.
Absolutely.
6 months.
4 months, hopefully. Taking pictures for me.
Video.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is good. It's got the ratcheting.
The inside there. Look at this video. It's just he's already tearing it down here. Such a heavy bolt with that.
You know exactly how to do it, man. You've been studying up.
That's a nice shape. Oh man, this thing.
It's like it's never been used already, right?
Yeah, I'm not too happy it's got the stamp. You can get the
Stamp feed right there.
Yeah.
I was gonna send this away to get reparker.
Dude, that looks. Oh my God.
I was going to send this away to get reparker.
It's never been shot. It doesn't have a drop of anything in it.
Except for oil. That's it.
Yeah, I was going to send this away to get reparkerized.
The phone does that sometimes. Seems to be related to my hand.
Take some photos for me.
Okay, no problem.